In this module, we are going to discuss about the steam distillation technique. Steam distillation technique is an alternative method of achieving distillation at temperature lower than the normal boiling point. It is applicable when the organic liquid to be distilled is immiscible and chemically non-reactive with water. I let you know about the principle behind the steam distillation technique. During steam distillation process, steam is continuously passed through the liquid mixture. Thereby, the liquid mixture of two immiscible liquids is heated up, and each constituent independently exerts its own vapor pressure. The vapor pressure of the liquid mixture is the sum of the vapor pressure of two immiscible liquids. Hence, the vapor pressure exerted by the liquid mixture is increases. The liquid mixture will start boil when the sum of the vapor pressure of the two immiscible liquids just exceeds the atmospheric pressure. In this way, the liquid which we want to distill below its boiling point can be separated well below the temperature at which decomposition occurs. Now I explain the principle with the example. Assume a liquid mixture containing bromobenzene and water. The boiling point of bromobenzene is 156 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. But a mixture of the two liquids will boil at 95 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of bromobenzene is 156 degrees Celsius. In mixture, it boils at 95 degrees Celsius. The difference between these two temperatures is 61 degrees Celsius. So, bromobenzene can be easily distilled at a 61 degrees Celsius, which is below its normal boiling point. I explain you how to carry out steam distillation technique. 1/3 of this RB flask is filled with water. This RB flask is connected to steam generator at one side and delivery tube on the other side. Organic mixture is taken in the second RB flask and this RB flask connected with the delivery tube. Organic mixture contain both volatile and non-volatile impurities. On heating, water vapor rises up and with the help of steam generator, the generated steam is bubbled into the second RB flask. Let us see what is happening here. Due to the reduced vapor pressure, the volatile organic compound evaporate as a part of the mixture. The water vapor and the vapors of volatile organic compound will pass through the Liebig condenser, which is connected to the second RB flask. In Liebig condenser, water enter into the bottom and leaves at the top of the condenser. Due to the water circulation, the water vapor and the vapors of volatile organic compound condensed to liquid and both are collected in the receiving flask through this adapter. In the receiving flask, we can see two phases. Since the density of water is low as compared to the volatile liquid, it is present in the upper phase and the organic liquid is present in the lower phase. By using a technique called solvent extraction, both water and the volatile organic liquid gets separated. Ether is probably used as a solvent. The non-volatile liquid which is present in the mixture, that will retain in the second RB flask itself. Let us pass on to applications. Steam distillation is employed in the isolation of essential oils like almond oil. Eucalyptus and orange oil are obtained by this method on an industrial scale. The drugs which are obtained from plant and animal can be separated and purified by this technique. Steam distillation technique is used to manufacture spirit of nitrous ether and spirit of ammonia. Camphor is distilled by this method. Steam distillation is also widely used in petroleum refineries and petrochemical plants where it is commonly referred to as steam stripping. This technique is very much useful to separate immiscible liquids. For example, toluene can be separated from water from the mixture. Now I list out the advantages of steam distillation technique. First, this technique generates the organic solvent-free products. Secondly, there is no need for the subsequent separation steps. Third one is, it has a large capacity for processing at the industrial scale. Next, the equipment used in the steam distillation technique is inexpensive. We see the drawbacks of steam distillation technique. Sensitive compounds could be thermally degraded. Sometimes they may be hydrolyzed. This technique requires long time. It is due to the low pressure of rising steam. Water on the substance to be distilled causing it to vaporize in delayed time.